Pablo Nasing. Ano ba't kabati yung judge? Kabati yung judge.
Hindi, nagulat ako eh. Nanasarap. Suka! Okay, Mr. Sylvester Ahero, for your question. As you stand in front of us right now, why?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Sir John Paulo Nasik. Well, I believe in the 25 years of my existence here in the Philippines, or rather in the world, I would say I'm standing here in front of you as strong as the man standing here in the center of me. And together, we are high five.
What is the reason you have the courage to even join this pageant in the first place?
Thank you for that follow-up question, Sir John Paulo Nasik. For me, the courage will start at the courage the cowardly dog. We have the difference in everyone, and the courage starts with you. And the courage starts at one bark. Arf, arf.
51!
Wala pa yun.
220. Stand by.
Check, mic check.